Great day everyone, I am Karen Meiji Krampatanta and I will be presenting my e-tutorial for English class using online activities. By the way, this presentation is part of my requirement on the subject Education 602, Educational Innovation and Technology. Let's start! Online activities can play an important role in a class. It can help increase learners' engagement by providing a variety of interactive learning experiences, such as quizzes, games, and simulations. This can make learning more interesting and enjoyable for learners, and can also help them retain information better. For this session, I will be focusing on my grade 8 English class with a topic about conjunction. So, I am Miss Karen Meiji Krampatanta, an English teacher and a theater arts moderator of Banisil National High School, Division of General Santos City. Our lesson agenda for today are the following: conjunction, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Here, we will focus on Quarter 3, Module 5 of English 8 with the lesson objectives. After going through this lesson, you are expected to develop the most essential learning competency, which is to use appropriate cohesive devices focusing on conjunction. Likewise, the following sub and supporting learning competencies: define the meaning of a conjunction, differentiate between coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions, construct sentences with the correct conjunction usage. I will use Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an online learning management system that allows teachers to create, manage, and distribute educational content to their students. It has become increasingly popular in recent years. It is an important tool for teachers and students alike, as it helps to facilitate communication, collaboration, organization, and accessibility in the classroom. In order for the student to join the class, they just need to enter the class code, and there they may see the different activities reflected on the feed. For the review of the lesson, I chose Slido.com to be the platform to be used. Slido is an online interactive platform that allows presenters to engage with their audience during presentations, meetings, and events. The platform offers various features such as live polls, Q&A sessions, and surveys. It is an important tool that can help presenters increase audience engagement, improve knowledge retention, enhance inclusivity, and gather valuable data for analysis and improvement. In this activity, I posted an open text poll stating from our previous lesson what are the different issues that have discussed: social, moral, and economic. The learners may be able to answer the question by joining the Slido using the code number or the QR code. Learners may be able to use their phones, laptop, or computers. I posted an open text poll stating from our previous lesson what are the different issues that have discussed: social, moral, and economic. The learners may be able to answer the question by joining the Slido using the code number or the QR code. Learners may be able to use their phones using their cellular phones. And in here is the poll, and the answers of the learners are being flashed through the big screen using laptop. Moving forward, for the motivational activity, I chose to use the Mentimeter. Mentimeter can help improve knowledge retention by allowing the audience to interact with the content in real time. The platform can also be used to test the audience knowledge before and after the presentation. Helping to reinforce the key points, you only need to type in Mentimeter.com, and here, I let the learners observe the picture in the box and construct sensible sentences and utilize the word in the middle for each item. As you can see, this is the bigger picture that I posted in the Mentimeter, and then here's the image from the learner's end when using laptop or computer. The learner just needs to open the Mentimeter.com and enter the class code to join the activity. Here are the images whenever learners use their phones when joining the activity, and here's the setup when using computer or laptop. For the discussion or lesson proper, aside from using Google Meet to present the topic, I will also be using YouTube for the educational content. YouTube has become an important tool for education, offering accessibility, a variety of content, flexibility, personalization, and cost-effectiveness. As such, it has become a valuable resource for students and educators alike, providing opportunities for lifelong learning and skill development. And since I work in DepEd, I will be using the video lessons from DepEd TV Official. For the assessment, I will use the Google Form for the students. Google Forms is an online tool that allows educators to create surveys, quizzes, and assessments quickly and easily. It can be customized to meet the needs of individual educators and their students. Forms can include various question types, including multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions, allowing educators to assess learning in different ways. In here, I made an exit ticket for the learners. This is a great way to measure their understanding on the topic being discussed. And lastly, for the assignment, I let them post in their Facebook account their most unforgettable experience. They may add picture and add hashtag English class my experience. They also need to send a link through the group chat for easy tracing of their answer. Well, I hope that you got something from what I have shared in this e-tutorial. There are still a lot of online platforms where students can learn, interact, and enjoy. By sharing, we gain knowledge. When people are learning from each other and have a platform to share their knowledge, that builds a sense of community. Thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.